Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we're gonna work on the engine swap for 2013 Nissan Maxima. This engine and the transmission has been designed to come out from the bottom with the subframe. As you guys see, I have the lift and everything over here, but what I'm trying to tell you, for those who doesn't have a lift, or they're trying to get it done without the lift or at the somewhere else, not at the garage, there is a way that you can take the engine out from the top. So as you guys see, the engine is already off, but the trick is, since you take the alternator out and just take the AC compressor, leave it hanging there, that way you don't need to charge the freon, recharge the freon and all this stuff. But here you go, there is two transmission mount. One of them is back there and the other one is down there. If you go underneath of the vehicle, take that out and take the other transmission mount out, the transmission is going to drop on the subframe. It's not going to go anywhere, don't worry about that. Since it dropped on the subframe, you can jack it up and push it back further toward the frame. Then it's going to give you enough room for the engine to move it up. That's all I'm doing it. Easy. It's about like 15 hours job on the all data. Then after that you should be good to go. As you guys see, I have the engine over there at my garage. I'm gonna put the new one on that one. Thank you guys for watching and God bless you.